Yay! Can't wait to cook it. And eat it. And eat it, yes. Hi authentic foodies! We are in Chiang Mai today and on our way to go discover another specialty that we absolutely love. They're called Sai Ua, which are the northern sausages.
Made here in Chiang Mai. It's a specialty that we see a lot in markets, on the little streets stalls. And today we're going to understand how Sai Ua is made. We love Sai Ua. It's a spicy chili sausage. And we're gonna meet a lady who makes Sai Ua for a living.
So we can't wait to discover more about this fragrant northern sausage. And we will bring you along and show you the process.
Let's get going!
Is it a family recipe that's been passed down by generation, or is it?
คุณยายเจ้าท่านถามว่าตำรับของคุณยายนี่มันสืบทอดมาจากไหนหรือว่ายายก็ทำของยายเองคนคิดคนเดียว Oh yeah, this is her. She created her own recipe.
Ah, just trial tasting and seeing what she likes. Okay. Okay.
ยายก็ทำมาชิมมาปรับปรุงสูตรมาเรื่อยๆจนมันเข้าที่
Okay. We're gonna make the Sai Ua. And this is lemongrass. It's already been pounded. This is lemongrass slices. This is kaffir lime, coriander and spring onions, turmeric, shallots and garlic. Two different kinds of chilies. This one's a little bit milder than this one. And this one is spicy and this one is mild. And we're going to mix them together. And here's the pork. And I think this is the thing, the sausage.
Yeah, the casing.
The casing?
Yeah.
So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. Go ahead and pound?
Sure.
Okay.
làmไปตามเลยละหอมใส่ขมิ้นใส่พร้อมกันเลย
How do I do it?
Yeah. Bang together.
Like that?
Yeah.
What are you pounding?
เอาน้ำใส่
The lemongrass. It's already been pounded, and there's a specific technique to do it. And then now we have some turmeric.
ใส่นักตัวหนึ่งใส่นักตัวออกก่อน
The same thing. Yeah.
Remember
Am
your...
I doing it correctly? Because I'm not sure. It's not really mixing.
ด่าตามพุ่น
Hard?
ด่าตามพุ่นตามช่วยพุ่นตามน้ำพวกนึงมาตอนนี้ไม่ได้กินแน่
I'm gonna replace you.
Okay. Okay.
We're adding
We're adding shallots and garlic. And the smell is just incredible. Adding some salt to this.
เอาได้เลยเนาะเอาได้
Mixing the pork. That's the maker of the pork. A little bit
ก็ว่าอย่างเย็นเนี่ย
the mixture made with the turmeric, chili, lemongrass.
นะเอาไปทำขายเมืองนอกตัวเนอะแค่จะยิน
ไม่ได้กิน
นี่เผ็ดบ่ละ
ไม่ต้องเอาเกลือใส่หน่อยนะซอสไปเอากินกินหรอโอ้กินไม่ได้เราวันนี้
We have this lemongrass. We have a new partner. Hopefully she's as strong as the previous one.
It smells so fragrant. It's incredible.
The intestine. This is the real pork intestine. Yeah, some vendor they may use artificial, but they use more. The auntie she use real pork intestine.
เค็มกะลัดไม่พูดเนาะ
ทำไมที่ฟันเข็มกระลักนะเนี่ยน้องแม่แม่ดามีไหนแม่ดา
จับนี่จ้ะดึง
Yeah. You hold. Yeah, you hold that. Yeah.
ใส่
Yeah. ผมเป็นจับไส้เคยเด้อไส้รู้
จับใส่ให้แน่นบอก
You hold the intestine tight.
Okay, hold
Yeah.
it tight.
ใส่จริงๆใส่เลย
แม่แล้วก็บอกคนพูดอันนั้นลงไป
ๆ
เลย
ใส่เลยเนี่ยโยนลงไปจริง
There's some air coming in.
โป้ตัวเนี่ยกัน
ๆเดียวกัน
ตึ้งโต
โอ้
ได้
โห
ยัง
บะตึ๊บง่ายๆจะไปเลย
เอาเป็นเส้น
เอาเป็นเส้นสั้นๆเนาะเส้นพยาวเนาะกระเดียวก็ห้าวก็แบ่งเอาค่ะ
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Made. Yay. Can't wait to cook it. And eat it. And eat it, yes. You can try what we made.
อ๋อเนื้อ
Yes, look at it, it looks delicious.
đã phải áo nhạt nền nữa
Wow.
đều lẩy rồi nè
Very fragrant. Delicious.
Delicious.
Not too spicy. Yeah, just a nice bite.
bao thôi nè
It's incredible. Perfect.
Good.
Yes.
anh ấy mì rốt chả thì nó không cá
A little bit of extra salt.
lón
ngon hot
Very good.
รสชาติแต่ใส่แป้งหวาน
A little bit more, yeah, flavor.
นะ
All of this, Sai Ua. It's a lot. Thank you. Kapungka. We're gonna put it in the fridge as we've been told, and then we should warm it up in the microwave. But it is a lot. It's a
วัน
lot.
หน้า
It's
ใช้บริการใหม่
delicious. We're excited because we love it. Wish you could join us and have it with us.
เอาไป500 2ใบได้